Hello friends, today I'm going to show you one of the activity called append variable activity. Previously I showed you set variable activity, how we can set the variables one of the thing. Now we are going to set like what is append variable activity. So here the disadvantage what we have is variables will hold only single value, it cannot hold multiple values. That is the worst thing. The second thing is like if you want to hold multiple values, then we have a concept called array. Array is generally represented as like square brackets. Okay, so if you want to write multiple values, just like we have to use the comma. Okay, so either it can be anything, it can data type, it can be like anything like this. Okay, you can integer type or you can type string type as well. It can be anything. In the array it can hold multiple collection values. Okay, now if I want to call particular value, then we have concept called index. Okay, index starts from 0. For example, I have called marks variable. I want to get the number 20. I want to assign that 20 to the marks. Now use the variable array. Here I want to pass 0, 10. 0 starts from index starts from 0, right? 0 or 1. So it's okay. If I want to assign 20, if this value will come into okay, if I am going to assign, I am calling the index number to assign the this value to the marks variable. Now append, what will I do the append? If I do append activity, so in the runtime it will add the number to this array. Okay, so this is the thing what we will see all these practicals one by one to understand in better way. So go to the pipeline, take the new pipeline and name it is like set variable activity. Click OK. Okay, now type here variable. Now we are talking about the append variable value. Okay, so now before that go to variable activity, take that student marks. I'm telling that student marks to understand better example. I'm taking that as array. Array will start square bracket, so I'm declaring 10 comma 20. Okay, now 20 comma 30. Okay, so these are the things. Now go to the append. I want to add the 40 here, right? So now go to append variable, go to settings. Here only student array are the variables which are related to the array, those only get displayed here. Okay, for example, if I take just dummy variable, okay, this is which starts for string. Now go to array. Now if you see only student marks variable. Now select this thing. Okay, now what is the value that I want to add? 40. Okay, so now click on debug. Now see this. See, it got 40 got added, but how it got added? It is in string format. Okay, so now if I click here, now I want to add into integer format. I don't want to that into part of this thing, right? So now at the date int 40. That's it. Click OK. Now I am passing this as input as a, like previously we got double quotations. Now if I see here debug available here, see it got added, 40 got added without square brackets. Now how I can see this total output and everything? Now go to this variables, declare one more variable called output. This can be like array. Now go to set variable activity. Now come here, assign this to this thing. Come to select the set variable activity. Now come here, select output. What I want to do, this thing, I want to assign this as a total output, which column student marks output. I just matching that. Okay, I want to see the total input, total this thing, right? Okay, so now I am selecting marks is student marks is equal to output column to see the total values. So it got completed. See, 10, 30, 40. Okay, in the runtime it got added 40, right? Now what I want to call particular number. Just like if I see here output. So I want to call like 40. 40 means what, like, or just like 30. 0, 1, 2. I mean means if I want to call 30, you want to pass 2. So uh, now I want to call so particular index number. Okay, for example, my value is something like I have 10, 20, 30. Right now if I want to call multiple particular number, particular index value, so first of all I would like call first number only. On success of completion, now select this. Now if I go here, new variable, I will change new check to the string only. Okay, so now come here, now new check. What is that variable? New variable, come to variable here, new student marks. Okay, now I want to call 10 number. 10 means 0. Okay, click OK. Now click on debug. It got fail set variable 2. Why reason is the variable new type string cannot be initialized update value of interior. So the new check is string here, but we are giving the value of like interior value. So it is asking for to convert that into as a string. To convert that, you just come here, instead of use the flower bracket. Okay, now just close this window and click debug. Okay, so we have succeeded append variable, and we have succeeded this thing variable student marks, what is the output total, and we have succeeded this thing how we need to call particular variable using index. This is all about like set variable append variable activity and how we need to call particular value and how we need to see the output. So I hope you may like this video. Thank you.